Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for August 17. Productivity levels among Caribbean farmers are expected to be significantly boosted with the implementation of a 20 million Canadian dollar regional project. The promotion of regional opportunities for produce through enterprises and linkages Propel project is being funded by the Canadian International Development Agency (CIDA. The 5-year initiative is to benefit 28,000 small farmers in over 8 Caribbean nations, including Jamaica. They will be positioned to provide an adequate and consistent supply of agricultural products to large purchasers, such as hotels and airlines within the region, by enhancing their capacity. The project, which is to be rolled out on a phased basis within the 8 countries, should begin later this year. Government is to provide an update on the success of Jamaica's Olympic promotional activities next week. Tourism and Entertainment Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says the nation will be briefed Monday on the success of the promotional activities staged before and around the Olympics at the O2 Arena in London. He is also to provide an update on the investment made to boost the brand Jamaica and to ensure that the country capitalizes on the historic event. By late this year or early 2013, the government will be looking to streamline a set of instructional videos for the education system. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites says these will have a holistic approach to education, socialization, and interpersonal relations.
We're going to be rolling it out so that we can offer to schools in a region such as yours, any school, anywhere, the best of pedagogy, properly expressed, properly demonstrated, not as a substitute for the teacher and the classroom experience, but rather as a partner with them. And we are going to try to make it interactive as much as possible, at no cost to the schools.
The minister was speaking at a back-to-school stakeholders conference earlier this week. The Industry, Investment and Commerce Ministry has responded to a silent protest staged outside its offices Thursday by the Scrap Metal Federation. A statement from the ministry noted that the Portfolio Minister Anthony Hilton was off the island on government business, but said the ministry was willing to meet with the Federation and discuss their issues next week. At a press conference last month, Minister Hilton said government was committed to reactivating the trade and was formulating a number of regulations to ensure that illicit activities could not flourish when the trade resumes. Government has officially launched the teachings of Garveyism in the new civics program for Jamaican schools. The initiative by the Education Ministry was launched Friday morning at the school named in honor of the national hero, the Marcus Garvey Technical High School in St. Anne. Earlier in the day, Culture Minister Lisa Hanna hailed the move, saying it was a progressive step long overdue.
Having experienced the overwhelming impact of colonial education on the psyche of the masses, he was determined to counter his negative and this negative by promoting what he called particular education, through which people could be educated to all elements of their race and culture in order for them to assume their role and responsibility in the proper advancement of their society and their race.
The minister was speaking at a wreath-laying ceremony at the National Heroes Park to commemorate the 125th anniversary of the birth of Marcus Garvey. Political, academic, and civic leaders were joined at the ceremony by Dr. Julius Garvey, the son of Jamaica's first national hero. And finally, Dr. Julius Garvey spoke at another venue Friday, endorsing the teachings of Garveyism in schools. He was presented with a teacher's guide syllabus on the teachings of Garveyism by Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites early Friday morning.
I'm very thankful that this is really happening, because this is one of the things that I think is absolutely necessary in Jamaica, and I think really all over the world, wherever African people are.
Dr. Julius Garvey, who is on a 4-day visit to Jamaica, also paid a courtesy call on Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller Thursday. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.